Hey, what's going on, traders? Yes, I'm back. It's Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. Yes, putting down another video for you guys out there. You know what time it is. It is time once again for my hot pick of the day. Now, this will be my hot pick for tomorrow, which will be February 19th, 2020. But before I get into that, don't forget to help me out. That's right, by smashing those buttons for me. That's right, real simple, real easy. Like the video, you can comment, you can subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new videos, you'll be right there with me. Or go live. We will be doing that very shortly. I'll be going live, maybe daily. We'll see, figuring it all out. It's all good. All right, let's get into it. It's time for my hot pick of the day. Today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker SPCE. That is Virgin Galactic. That's right, Virgin Galactic has been soaring. Yes, on a 7-day surge. It has lifted the stock 4 times above its level in December. Gains are snowballing. Option traders are piling in. The chat rooms are lighting up. That's right, it's starting to look similar to another Spce growth stock's recent run. That's right, though the company is just a fraction of Tesla in terms of market value, the frenzy around its shares is similar. The average increase of Virgin share price has totaled more than 9% since last Monday, and double-digit rallies have been propagating. That's right, Virgin Galactic options activity has kept pace with the stock's meteoric push and maybe even fueling it. As of 2:20 p.m. today, call volume exceeded 360,000 contracts, which dwarfs the previous record set on Friday. The notional value of the calls changed hands topped $1 billion, with several hours still left in the trading day on Tuesday. The company came in the session with a market capitalization of just over $6 billion. For reference, the notional value of call options traded averaged about 0.5% of its market value during the final 5 sessions of 2019 and the first 5 of this year. Virgin Galactic has become a favorite among retail investors, judging by activity on message boards like Wall Street Bets. When a fresh option is written, a dealer who sells it will typically hedge their exposure by buying a certain amount of the stock so not to accumulate a short position, and will tend to buy back more shares in the event of a continued rally. Some traders have seized onto this dynamic as evidence of their option buying activity is sufficient to perpetuate a rally in the underlying stock. Yep, it's been going parabolic, and today was no different, but it did have a massive pullback, and we're gonna figure out how we can trade this by looking into the charts, as we always do. We got to, because we are technical traders. Let's go to the charts and check out my hot pick of the day, the ticker SPCE. That's Virgin Galactic. Now, as you can see, this parabolic run started all the way back in December, where it flattened out at about 690 and just started pushing up. And once it broke above this previous high at about 1285, it just shot up to this $19, right about $20 mark, pulled back. And once it got over 20, boom. That's right, the rocket just took off on Virgin Galactic up into this 2520, then this 2784, and as high as this 3872 this morning. But with this massive $8 pullback, which everyone expected, because this thing has just been rocketing. So we want to see it hold this 2784 on the daily, but not much history back here, so it's all free fall. This thing could gap all the way back down. No support until about this $20 mark, because this just went parabolic. But let's go to the intraday chart to take a closer look on what's going on with Virgin Galactic. Now, as you can see, this morning it pushed up. It opened at about 32 bucks, pulled back to this $30 level, and just shot straight up within an hour or so up to this 38.72. As you can tell, what I did, mark off this 15-minute opening range breakout, and once it got over this opening range right here at about 33.50, it popped up, came back, tested it a few times, and then just ripped up. You can see, touched all these retracements, and almost to the penny, this 38.71, it went to 38.72, pulled back, tried to hold this 35. I was chopping between the 35 and 37 retracements. You can see it dropped all the way to this 50% retracement at 31.85, and then as low as this 28.89 retracement, then popped back up to the 50% and broke back down, and now we are trading right about this $30 mark, this 30.23 retracement, and in the after hours, you can see it's pushing back up, trying to reclaim this 50% retracement at 31.85. So for tomorrow, what we want to look at is 31.85, the 50% retracement on that opening range of the day. So if we can reclaim this 31.85, we could see a continuation back up and maybe even test highs with all the hype. You never know. A rejection of this 31.85, we could see a test of this 30 and even break down and retest these 28.89. And if people start taking profits from there, we could see as low as 26.24, which is the 5 EMA. A lot of parabolic moves like to come back and test this 5 EMA because they don't always come back and test the 9, which is at 23.98. They like to touch this at 5 EMA sometimes before it continues up. But like I said, this 31.85 will be key. A break above it, we could see more bullish action. A break below, we could see people start taking profits. So it's all touch and go right now. This stock has been, like we said, parabolic. These moves have been crazy, so it could go either way at this point, depending on it depends if the bulls want to push it up more or just start taking profits and the bears jump in and bring this back to earth. But we just gotta wait and see. So those are the levels. You can write them down, push it right here, because they will be in play tomorrow. But this 31.85 is the key level for me, at least. I'll be trading off tomorrow for my hot pick of the day, the ticker SPCE. That is Virgin Galactic. There you go. There you have it. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker SPCE. That is Virgin Galactic. Yep. So definitely be on the lookout for that tomorrow. And as of tomorrow, I'm starting a brand new thing. I'm getting into the World Series of Day Trading. Yep, put it on by TradeNet, offshore broker. A lot of people use it for trading. If you don't have that 25K and you want to trade with no PDT, you can definitely check them out. I got the link in the description, but they have a free World Series of Day Trading where you can win free accounts. It's too late to sign up. I mentioned it a few weeks back on my Facebook, all that good stuff. If you didn't get to sign up, I think they have 1 or 2 a year, but this is the first one. So it starts tomorrow. It's a week of trading, well, 5 days of trading, and the top, I believe, 10 traders get accounts. There's all kinds of prizes, so you know, no harm, no foul, no cost to get into competition. I'll be trading in it, so I'll definitely probably be going live tomorrow morning and throughout the competition to just update you guys on my trading and the competition. So definitely if you want to check it out and you want to trade with no PDT, I'll put the link down there below. All right, it's all good, just letting you guys know, FYI. Now, as always, it takes a lot to put these videos together, so all I ask of you guys in return, just 3 clicks of your mouse. That's right, click number 1, you can always like the video, also comment. Click number 2, subscribe to the channel. Click number 3, you can hit the bell notification anytime I go live, put up some new content, new videos. You'll be right there rocking and rolling, learning while we're earning, all that great stuff. All right, it's time for me to bounce on up out the door. Marquise, aka the DJ Daytrader, signing on out, reminding you to plan your trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.